Welcome to our guide on setting up an Angular monorepo with Nrwl Nx. Let's begin by creating a new workspace for your organization. Here we use npx along with create-nx-workspace at latest to ensure we have the most recent version. We provide a name for our workspace, my.org, and specify preset equals Angular to scaffold an Angular-based workspace. This command handles the initial setup with recommended defaults for an Angular project. After successfully creating the workspace, the next step is to navigate into our new workspace directory. Let's switch into the my.org directory where we can start working on our Angular monorepo. Now, we're inside our workspace. The ing-generate command, abbreviated as ing, combined with it nrwl, Angular, app, is used to create a new Angular application named MyApp. Nrwl Nx extends Angular CLI with its own set of schematics, optimizing for a monorepo setup. With our application in place, it is time to add a library. Running ing at nrwl, Angular, mylib generates a new Angular library called mylib in the workspace. Libraries are key to sharing code such as services, UI components, or utility functions across multiple applications within the monorepo. To see our application in action, we use the ing-serve command, targeting MyApp. This starts up a development server, which will serve our app on a local host port. You can now view the application in your web browser and enjoy the benefits of hot reloading during development. Understanding the dependencies between the applications and libraries in our monorepo is crucial. Running nx-dep graph generates a visual representation of how these are connected. It helps in making informed decisions about the architecture and potential impact of changes within the monorepo ecosystem.